This is a 2011 Honda Odyssey. We want to reset the maintenance lights and the wrench. So how we do that, we have to press this button in case if it's showing the mileage, until it give the oil life. After that, we turn the ignition switch off, press the knob button, we turn it on for like approximately 10 seconds. When the display starts flashing, we will turn the knob to the oil life or cancel, and we will press it for like 5 seconds. Sometimes if we press it like over 10 or 15 seconds and doesn't flash, we will release and press it again. Okay, so now we will release the knob and we can turn it or press it again, like to give us, just press it, just cancel, and now we will press it for like 5 seconds. The oil life become like 100%. So sometimes if you have the scanner, you don't have to lose all this time. If you have the scanner, you can go just to the hot function one, reset oil life, reset with the tool, and auto oil reset. Press OK and give you that message, reset complete oil life. But I know there is no not everybody have the scanner to reset it like automatic, so I'll show you how to reset it with the manual. Thanks, guy.